All right, my friends, so we're right here at the smoke shop on River Road. You know where it's at. You've driven through here, you've looked through here, so we're right here making it happen.
Big House Tobacco.
Big House Tobacco right here with my friends right here, the big dogs. So,
We post on Facebook, like this work, so we gave him a call, he came down, hooked it up.
Yeah, we love the work, man. It looks good.
there you go. So there you go, my friends. Real people, real jobs, real interviews. No fake stuff right here. So let me know. Will you guys recommend us?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go, my friends. You heard it. No fake news right here. What's up, my friends? Check this out. Some of you guys might recognize the spot over here on River Road. That new building up, that new smoke shop. We're over here doing the landscape. Putting in some trees. Got my truck and my trailers over here in the way. So we're making it happen. So anybody out there that has a new construction, new building, even if you got an old building you're trying to, renovate the landscape, let me know. We're about to clear all this crap out. Okay, boys and girls, look at this. Came, put in some arborvitaes, boxwood, bark, boulders, river rock, and a nice little place right there for the picnic table. That's a badass smoke shop. Put a little bit of big grass right there. Make it look on point. Got the boulders. It's real badass. Looks green. Looks perfect. Badass plan for this. Beautiful, beautiful. River rock, that's the bark. That white stuff right there is just freezing, so that's just frost. Gravel, river rock, and boulders. Nothing crazy. So, you know what it is. So if you got a small building like this, new building, new construction, new home, we can make it happen. We can, make it look good. Freaking cold out here. This building, look at this. Beautiful building. Landscape the front, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Make it look real good, real badass. You know what it is. Blue Coastline, look me up. So next time, everybody, stay safe. And stay safe, this ain't no drug. Peace out.